Alright, so I just wanted to do a quick video how to basically know that your solar panel is in direct sunlight. So if you wanted to get the most power you can out of your solar panel, and if you don't have some automatic tracking or something. So basically what I did was I took a piece of double stick tape, a strong acrylic double stick tape, and stuck it to the back of this screw. And since this screw is like perpendicular to this, when you move it, let me get this out of the way, but when you move the thing, okay, you can see that the shadow is moving around. Okay, so if you put it this way, that means the sun is shining down instead of directly onto the thing. All right, and then if you tilt it the other way, you can see, so depending which way you have it angled, the shadow will move around on there. So when you have it 100% lined up, the shadow will actually be a dot on the screw itself. Okay, so if you can see, you can align it. If you align it perfectly, then the shadow, you basically won't see the shadow because it will be hidden by the entire by the screw itself. Okay, and that's how you know that you have your solar panel lined up with the sun. And if you're manually moving this around, then you'll want to check on it every so often, because of course the sun placement moves all the time. That's how sundials work. And yeah, so as long as you just constantly every so often go back, check on it, and then reposition it so that the shadow is kind of hidden by the screw itself, then you know that you have your solar panel in the best possible direct sunlight position. All right, so hopefully that helps some people get more use out of their solar panels. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right, bye.